All right, what's up everybody? Hello everyone, and hello everybody, and what's up everyone? We're now going through the Nustar soft-touch car wash at the Route 148 car wash.
Your credit card information has
Ultra.
been received. Please make a wash selection. Please wait while your transaction
You got
is
Ultra?
processed.
Okay. Oh, it's ready.
Thank you for your purchase.
All right.
Start your call.
So, yep, ready. Let's go. These are extremely rare to find. These are rare to find. You got Ultra, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh wow. First time it's the Nustar. Oh, that's a treadle. Stuff. Oh, we got the new version side once. Alright, first time at Nustar. Alright, sorry, that's my mom. Filming. There. We got to turn the light on for gigs. We also got gigs in the car. My dog over here. Piggies. Yeah, this. Alright. I don't know if any trucks have been here, so it looks like we're starting off with our pre-wash detergent, and we just it's pre-soak, which is why I filmed first time in a soft touch Nustar. All right, enjoy the view. Smells good. Oh, top brush. Interesting. The front wash arms are spinning. Oh, there go the front wash arms. Oh, looks like we got triple foams coming on. Oh, we got triple foam.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's darker than usual.
That's nice thick coverage of triple foam. We didn't get the sun really, but it's nice though with that front one. Oh wow. We didn't start the back, but it's still nice coverage of triple foam. And looks like this one. No, Mom. Sorry, that's my phone. Oh, not a top brush pass. Sorry for my warm mud right here, because it's tender. It's on this one. Jump, nozzle, high pressure rinse, wash. Okay. I'm not sure what passed wrong. I think this is the wax, I think. It looks like, I'm not sure if this is the wax or a regular rinse or something. I'm not sure. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells weird though. Unless that was the spot-free rinse, I'm not sure. And we got these Nustar dryers are gonna kick on in a second. So that was the I think it's the rinse or must be the wax. I'm not sure what passed wrong. Snow washed mid stages. Tells you what it's on what. We'll wash that product on. Sticky nozzle at the top. Soap on the solid bubbles. Okay. So that must have been empty pass or something. No, that must have been the wax there. So this is this is the spot-free rinse, the final pass. Then we go over to Nustar dryers and kick on. After the wash is done, we'll see how the system did. I mean, I don't know what to expect. The results. Then we have these Nustar dryers here that kick on in a second. So, here we go. Blower on, drive slow. It's nice, alright. Oh, just slow. We have our Nustar dryers and there's the touch-free, which is the Nustar touch-free, which we will do. Alright, just and the dry stop. Let's just take a look and see how it washed it. And let's see what kind of self-serve equipment this is to wash. Oh, pull over a second.
Oh. You want to jump out?
Let's just see how they washed it.
Go ahead.
Alright, all forward mirrors.
Yeah,
Alright. Oh. My back's still, I gotta be careful. Alright, we'll see how the wash, I know it went through the dryers really well. Let's see how the wash did. Oh, there's my dog gigs. First time in the Nustar soft touch. So, the wash, seemed to do an really well. Really well. I'm impressed. So I know we went through the dryers, so I know the dryers didn't do it really well. So we'll just see how it washed it. So the wash did really well on this side. So the dryers kind of did. I know we went through the dryers too fast, babe. So I know did not do a good job, but it's okay. So the wash that's just the wash there. I don't know what to expect from the results. So I thought it's the first time I've ever been a Nustar soft touch, which is super rare. Kind of left a little bit of dirt right there. The top brush was supposed to be the part in the front wash arms. The kind of did really well. Here's a vacuum, so it looks like these are I don't know what kind of flower. The blue and black version kind of. And yellow hoses too. And It kind of got the front really good. So the only thing the only thing I could say is the wash did a nice job. I'm impressed. Well, so next time when I'm here, when I return back to this location, I will be doing the touch-free bag next time, which is the touchless with the same wash. All right. Well, that being said, everyone, that's just an update. All right. Well, everyone, Merry Christmas. I will upload this sometime eventually. All right. Well, that being said, everyone, as always, thank you for watching. And notice next time we're also across the street from the Goodyear oil change, the Pennzoil. That land right there is for sale. I mean, hopefully it is. And the Mountaineer Mountain. And then we also are near the UPMC, which is, I think it's like health and community. It's not like physical therapy. And Family Dollar Tree, the Speedway, and us. And we're also near Dunkin' Donuts, which is that color version. All right, well, that being said, everyone, as always, thank you for watching, and that is all. All right, see ya.